All right, let's dive right in. We're going to explore one of the most incredible, truly mind-blowing objects in the entire natural world, the heart of a blue whale. So, just to help you wrap your head around the scale we're talking about, take a look at this. The heart of a blue whale is roughly the same size as a small car. Yes, a car. It's a biological engine on a scale that's almost impossible to imagine. And if you want some hard numbers, think about this. That engine weighs around 400 kilograms. That's 880 pounds. We're talking about by far the largest heart on the planet. It's an absolute marvel of biological engineering. And you know what? It has to be that big, because this one single organ is responsible for powering the largest animal known to have ever existed on Earth, a creature that can grow up to 98 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Just incredible. Okay, so let's really get into the specifics of this colossal heart and understand the true scale of nature's greatest engine. Get this, with every single powerful beat, this heart pumps an astonishing 220 liters. That's 58 gallons of blood. To put that in perspective, that's more than the entire fuel tank of a large SUV moved in one single contraction. But what's really wild is how incredibly efficient it is. When the whale is just resting at the surface, its heart only beats about 8 to 10 times a minute. Super slow, right? But during a deep dive, it can ramp all the way up to 37 beats per minute. This isn't just being adaptable, it's a masterpiece of evolution, designed to conserve energy at the surface and then power through the immense pressures of the deep. So that brings us to the next big question. How does this heart really function as a deep dive engine? How does it sustain life in the crushing blackness of the abyss? I mean, really think about it. An animal with such huge energy needs, how on earth can it stay underwater for as long as 90 minutes on just one single breath? It seems impossible. Well, the answer lies in a fascinating biological trick called bradycardia. It's this remarkable ability the whale has to intentionally and dramatically slow its heart rate way, way down. This conserves precious oxygen and redirects it only to the most critical places, like its brain and, of course, the heart itself. And the process is elegantly simple. The whale takes several huge breaths at the surface, and then it dives. As it goes deeper, its heart rate adapts. Bradycardia kicks in, and it starts rationing that oxygen supply for the whole dive. Then it just comes back to the surface to start the cycle all over again. You know, when you see a machine this perfect, this powerful, it becomes more than just a biological fact. It becomes a powerful symbol of awe, something much more profound than just a muscle. So let's ask a different kind of question here. Beyond all the biology and the incredible numbers, what does a heart of this magnitude truly represent to us? It serves as this physical, tangible reminder of the sheer vastness and power of the natural world. This is an organ so large, it genuinely challenges our ability to comprehend it, and that invites a real sense of wonder and, frankly, humility. And that sense of wonder brings with it a profound sense of responsibility. This brings us to our final and maybe most important section, why this heart matters today and what it tells us about this fragile giant's future. Because here's the crucial point. Despite its immense size and power, the survival of the blue whale is not guaranteed. These creatures were hunted to the very brink of extinction, and their recovery is a slow, ongoing battle. Today, they face a whole new set of challenges. The biggest threats now are collisions with massive ships, getting entangled in fishing gear, and the overarching effects of climate change on their ocean habitat and their food. In this way, the blue whale's heart becomes a kind of metaphor for both the fragility and the resilience of all life on our planet. Protecting this one species is really about preserving the balance of the entire ecosystem it calls home. And hey, there's a direct benefit for us, too. By studying this incredible cardiovascular system, scientists are gaining insights that could inspire all kinds of innovations in human medicine, from cardiology to engineering. It's a powerful reminder that nature often holds the most elegant solutions. So we'll end with this thought. The heart of a blue whale is a testament to what's possible in the natural world, a true masterpiece of evolution. If nature can engineer something this magnificent, what is our role and what is our responsibility in protecting it for the future?